How to change YouTube profile picture on desktop. So if you want to change your YouTube profile picture, then first you need to open up your YouTube. Go for youtube.com, open up a browser and then search for youtube.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for your profile, which is on the upper right. Go for YouTube Studio, and here you can scroll down and go for customization, which is here on the left side, and choose branding and then click on upload. And you can simply choose anything to upload as your picture. So you can simply drag that and adjust that wherever you like and then click on done. And now your profile picture has been changed. Now your profile picture will appear where your channels is presented on YouTube, like next to your videos and comments. So that's how you can change your YouTube profile picture on desktop. Now once you reload your page, you can see that your profile picture has been changed from here. And if you go to your profile or account, here also your profile picture has been changed. So that's how you can change your profile picture. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.